So hey guys, let's try to understand ChatGPT. Okay, I just want you to try. ChatGPT is when people are comparing ChatGPT with GPT-4, right? Okay, so let's say hi. Okay, okay. So hello, how can I help you today? Okay, what if I say hello again? I mean, let's see what it says. So is there anything specific you would like to know or discuss? So it knows. It looks like some human is talking back to you, right? Okay, so again, the last try. Hello, is there anything specific you would like to know or discuss? Okay, fine. Now let's move a little bit up. Okay, so let's give it who are you? Okay, let's see what it says. I am assistant a large language model trained by OpenAI. I am here to help answer any questions you may have or provide information on a wide range of topics. How can I assist you today? Okay, quite good answer. Okay, let's move on. What can we say? Let's talk about some news, but of past, because right now it is not connected to internet, so it won't be able to answer general questions right now. Let's ask about who won the full football match in 1986. Okay, so it is thinking. I'm sorry, but okay. So it is saying it does not have the information about past also. Okay, tell maybe just say so that this is a false positive example. Tell me about, let's say, 1986. Let's see. So it was a common year. Some notable events that occurred in 1986 include the explosion of Challenger space shuttle, Chernobyl disaster, oh my god, and the passage of tax reform act. Okay, seems nice. Now let's maybe just ask the date of birth of this ChatGPT. So what is your DOP? I'm not even writing in full. Let's see. As an artificial, I don't have a date of birth. I was created to assist. Okay, so okay. So I'm not saying like only humans can have date of birth. When this model was related, this could be its date of birth. Okay, let's move on. Next question. So let's ask some question about coding. Okay. So tell me about the language Python. Okay, so it's more or less it is generating this word by word. And the models used are reinforcement based on reinforcement learning. Okay, Python script supports this, that, imperative functional programming. Python is also uses scripting language. Okay. Okay, let's try to generate summary. Okay. So generate summary for year, let's say 1986 only. Let's see. Oh my god. This is creating a good summary, right? Major events in the country, and they're like, it is also, so it is like quite good model, I think. Trained very well. This can be, this is summarizing, right? Okay. Let's say, tell me, or maybe just write an essay on Putin. Let's see. Okay. So it has started writing the essay. Putin is the current president of Russia. Prior to his president, Putin held a number of influential positions. Okay. Since has sought to restore Russia's status. Okay. First to build stronger economic political ties with other countries. Okay, and this crackdown on NGOs. Putin remains a popular figure in Russia with high approval ratings. Great. Oh god, it looks like someone is writing. This can't be the work of a machine, right? So it is actually competitive, right? Okay, so next phrase, just try rephraser, okay? So we can rephrase something like rephrase this. Let's talk about the sentence. So let's say, why did the interviewer say that you can be a good part of their organization? Okay, now let's see, why did the interviewer say that made you believe you would be a good. Okay, okay, let's try something easy. The cow fell from the tree. It does not make sense, but let's see how GPT responds. That you given a statement. Oh my god, it is able to find out whether your statement makes sense or not. Okay, let me try other nonsense things. Okay, so a dog fell from the moon to earth. Let's see. Oh god, it knows what is. It is not against the laws of physics. Oh my god, it knows everything. Is it God or something, man? How it is possible? Okay, let's try something like. I want to rephrase only, right? Let's rephrase this. Okay, so I am a research associate working at an XYZ organization. Okay, okay, exactly. So this, I have to say that rephrase this. Okay, yeah. Okay, just let's regenerate this. So I was a research associate at this organization called XYZ. Okay, I work as a research associate. Okay, okay, great. Okay, it was great. Nothing. So it is like able to generate. Rephrase sentences, right? Generate sentences as well. Writing an essay on cow and maybe some of the NGOs also, right? Okay. Let's start asking coding problems with the ChatGPT. Okay. Let's start from a very basic one, like print n numbers. Okay. Print n numbers code for code in Python. Let's see if the code is right. Okay, so it is giving an example. Okay, pretty basic one. It should be easy for GPT, but the way it is explaining and writing code is like seems like a human doing the same on the other side, right? Okay, so let's ask a bit difficult problem. Okay, let's go to maybe tough coding problem or lead code or maybe just interview bit or maybe geeks for geeks. Okay, so let's just pick up practice. Okay, binary search, convert array into zigzag fashion. Let's see. So let's just copy paste the problem over the okay. Given an array of distinct elements of size n, the task is to rearrange the elements in a zigzag fashion. Okay, let's see. Is the one okay? Oh my god. It is writing the code. Don't know whether the code is okay. Let's see. So what is the way? Let's see the summations or solution maybe. Okay. The task is to rearrange the elements of the array in a zigzag fashion so that the converted array should be in the below form. Okay. Note that if your transformation is correct, the output will be 1 as the output will be 0. Okay. Okay, now this is Python only, right? Let's do a Python compiler. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, copy this code. Let's run this just so it's hello world. Okay. Now define the function and then main function. Okay. Check zigzag. Okay. Done. Now we need to pass the array, right? Okay, let's take the example. So input suppose is this. Let the array be this. Okay, let's call the check zigzag and put the array as an argument. Let's see what it returns. Set object is not subscriptable. Line 19. Okay, it's a set. Yeah, definitely it's a set. But we are expecting array, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Now it should work. Is it running or what? It's running. Okay. Maybe the code is not working right. Or maybe got into infinite loop. Let's keep shorter array. Okay. Does not seem the code is working. Okay, let's move on to. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Okay, let's say some very simple, like let's implement binary search via dynamic programming, which I'm giving in short. Let's see whether it writes the code or not. So this is a recursive implementation. Okay. This code it can learn, right? Now I want to implement it in via dynamic programming, right? Okay. So it did not implement in dynamic programming. Please implement binary search using dynamic programming. So here's the implementation using DP. Okay, don't know whether the code is okay or not, but the syntax seems to be right to me. Okay. Array is an argument. Okay. element to search, it returns the index it is found or -1. Basic idea is to build up a solution for larger arrays by using the solution for smaller arrays. The base cases are defined. Okay. Just want to know whether this solution will work or not. Solve the subproblem. Okay. Let's see. It should work, right? Hopefully. Okay, let's ask something else. Okay, just implement paradox in Python code. Let's see what paradox it can implement. Okay, it wants more information. Okay, implement any paradox. Okay, let's just add any and see. Paradox of the barber, which is the paradox of logic. There's a town with a barber who shaves only those people who do not shave themselves. The question is, does the barber shave himself? The barber shaves him since he is not one of the people he shaves, so he must not shave himself. If the barber does not shave himself, then he is one of the people he shaves, so he must shave himself. Okay. Oh my god, this is very good. This is really good. Hopefully code should be okay, but the way it is explaining, it looks human-like responses. Very good. Okay, so what is left? We have tried rephrasing, we have tried generation, we have tried syntactical. Most of the responses are syntactically correct. We have tried coding also. It can do code, right? But I don't think it would be able to code very tough problems. Okay, from lead code. Not sure. I have to try that. But I should know the solution also for that, right? For evaluation. Okay. What else we can try? It is a summarizer, it is a rephraser, it is everything, right? It is a translator also. Let's translate English to Spanish. Translate I love you to Spanish. Let's see. Te quiero. Te quiero, te quiero. Okay. Yeah, there was a song also. Oh god, let's maybe. So it cannot speak, right? But it can so translate the same thing, but now in maybe Chinese. Okay, Chinese. Woini. Okay, great. So it's a translator, rephraser, summarizer. So this can be a very good, helpful tool for many platforms, right? It can be chatbot. It is a chatbot, right? But it is general domain chatbot. You can ask anything. Maybe just what if I ask it to schedule my days. Schedule my, well, see whether it can schedule or not. Schedule my days from Monday to Saturday, Monday to Friday for meetings. Let's see whether it can schedule. Okay, it can't access my, it needs more details, right, to create a scheduler. Okay, seems pretty good to me. I mean, this is one in all tool. This should work, right? Okay, let's create a poem. Okay, let's see whether ChatGPT is a poet or not. Okay, so maybe please generate a poem on rat. Let's see what it can do. Is a poem about rat. A rat's like cunning beast with sharp and pointed teeth. At least it scurries through the darkest night, such a food of fearsome sight. With beady eyes and twitching nose, it sniffs and snuffles as it goes. It chews and gnaws with its all-might and never-ending appetite. But do not fear, for though its true this rat can be quite mischievous, it's just a creature, wild and free, living life as it was meant to be. So let it be, let it roam, this rat creature. And so on, for though it may be small in size, it lives in life that's full for. Oh my God, what a poem. Oh, oh, it looks real, man. It looks real. It does not seem to be coming from a machine. Let's try to search this same poem on internet and let's see whether it's available or not. Oh, there's not much match. Great, man. This is great. This whole poem is being generated, right? Okay, let's generate a poem for my friends and parents. So let's mix both of your friends and let's see how it can generate for both these. Because these guys are two friends and parents near and dear. I'm so grateful to have you and good times and in strife. You are laughter in my day, the ones who light my darkest way. Okay, these was friends and parents, and you are always steady presence, calm and fear. Oh God, it did it. Great, man, great. Okay, let's poem also though. So ChatGPT is a poet also, right? What about an art? So it cannot paint, right? I mean, let's ask. It's something confusing. Let's paint your words in the sky. Let's see where it says. Okay, can't talk to. I mean, can't write anything. Okay. Okay, again started. See my words painted in the sky. So this is just imagination. Oh, great, man. Okay, let's ask it to create. I mean, background for a movie, right? We don't need writers now, right? I mean, we need, but let's see whether it is the writer or not. Okay, write a new movie, scientific story for me, for Hollywood, maybe. It's a short movie pitch for science fiction story. Title: The Quantum Heist. Okay. Team of scientists and thieves team up to pull up the ultimate stealing a valuable piece of technology from a top secret. Okay, using their knowledge of quantum mechanics to outsmart the guards and escape undetected. Synopsis: when a group of skilled thieves discover that the government is in possession of the earth that could revolutionize the world's energy, so they decided to steal it for themselves. They enlist the help of a brilliant quantum physicist who helps them to devise a plan that uses the principle of quantum entanglement and superposition. As the team executes, they must confront the challenges of working with advanced technology. Okay. As they race against time to make them, they must confront the full might of the government. Okay, so this movie is about quantum heist. Ant-Man, maybe. Okay, so it is trained on writings also, I think. Okay, let's just last question, but let's ask it to generate script dialogues here, right? I'll go for a movie scene where a boy is proposing a girl. Okay. So there should be dialogues, right? So here's the script. A scene: a beautiful park on a sunny day. The boys Jim and the girl Sarah are sitting on a bench looking out at the pond. Jim is nervous, fidgety, while Sarah is calm and collected. Oh God, it can actually, Jim says, Sarah, there is something. Okay, so it is getting romantic. Oh God. No man, no. ChatGPT is romantic also. Okay. So now, okay, very good. Thanks, man. Nice talking to you. Great work by Open AI team, right? Thanks. Yeah, sure. Okay. Bye.